Hello guys, hello everyone, welcome to Electric City. So for today's video I'm going to share you the activities for today, which is the piping and layouts. So I'm doing the bending of the 3/4 inch AMC conduit. Just a little bit tip for everyone who is in the same industry with me. So if you want to make a 90-degree elbow, a perfect 90-degree elbow, so whatever the required length, you can just deduct it by 6 inches and start the bending from there. So if you have any comments, I would be happy to answer you in the comment section. You can follow and share our videos, and you can support us by following in Facebook page. Thank you so much. God bless.